Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice emoji. You can see a bigger circle I have drawn previously for the better convenience. Let's start the drawing. So we are going to start the drawing from the eye. So this is the right eye. You can see I'm just drawing right now, and I'm drawing a bigger circle outside that smaller one, and also another bigger circle. You can see. Okay. For the left eye, we are also putting the black colors in the eyeball here and drawing another bigger circle around it. And the biggest of all, here you can see the left side is done. This is the water drops coming up from the eye. As you know, for the graphical presentations, we used to do fewer lines but express more of the expressions. That's why it looks nice, little bit cartoon shape, but the emojis are most favorite of all. People likes it, everybody likes it, and this is very popular and interesting. Let's put the color for the whole part here. We're starting from the top. All right, you can see the color is almost done. Okay, let's darken the whole area in this place, which is used to be the lips. We're using a whiteboard marker for the better convenience and the fast drawing process. Okay. The eyeball here, around it we're going to draw a blue color. As you can see, blue is here. Okay. Going to put more blue for the eye drops. This is little darker, as you can see from the drawing. All right, so it takes fewer time, not so much time. This is a nice presentation. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist in the channel and select your own categories, own choices, and go forward for drawing learning skills. Thank you so much. Have a good day.